Hi guys, just wanted to show you the alloy wheel protector that I've put on, which was made by SCUFFS. As we all know, there's no guarantee that the alloy wheels are going to remain the same when you're driving, depending on where you park, or especially where you park or when you're turning into a car park. You just don't know. You can be the best of drivers, but sometimes, you know, you just don't know. Even the best of alloys actually end up getting curved. This is a nice little nifty little should I say product that will just go onto the alloy, and it goes on quite well, as you can see, and it will protect it. So this one I've just put on to make sure that it looks as good as it shows on the box. So yeah, it's made by SCUFFS, and let me show you that's another finished wheel that I did. Now this one over here, this is the one I'm actually putting it on right now. So as you can see, it will go on, and wherever there are a little bit of scuffs everywhere, they would actually be hidden behind it. So basically all you have to do is just push this in, peel that off. And now I've got a camera in one hand, so unfortunately I can't actually. So the technique is just to peel and put on. It comes with the adhesive cleaners here, which are about here somewhere. Yeah, them 3M cleaners. So these alcohol wipes. So make sure your car is washed, and then you just, once it's all dry, just give it another clean, and as you can see, it just goes on. I mean, I'll touch it up wherever I have actually got a curve on it. But let me finish this off and I'll continue the video. And here we are. We have finished the install. It looks alright, and yeah, definitely put another layer on the wheel just in case if it gets scratched or something while you're driving, it'll just peel off. So it's, yeah, looks alright from far as well. Can't really tell. Looks like a neat solution for a wheel. Yeah, I would definitely invest in one of these. They do come in a few colours as well, but I just prefer to have it simple. Yeah, you can probably see I've also put a arch protector on my car as well, so it just gives it that extra bit of a rust protection, as BMWs are quite prone to having rust on their arches. But from distance it looks quite nice actually. You can't really tell. It looks all part of the car, to be honest, at the end. Well, thanks for watching. Any questions, feel free to ask. Obviously we've done the heads-up display on this as well. That's working quite well. There it is. Okay. Please do subscribe. Happy to answer any questions if you have any. And have a great day. Thanks.